Good morning, everybody. So today we decided to come back to Darsham Marshes. We came when we stayed at the Shepherd's Hut last weekend. It was part of the circular walk that we were on. So we thought it was so beautiful that we just needed to come back and have a real proper explore of it, because the circular walk didn't take us round all of the marsh. So we thought today we'll just come back and have a little look and see what the rest of the nature reserve is like. Okay. Okay, so that's the end of our second visit to Darsham Marshes Nature Reserve. Certainly didn't disappoint, and it was good to return and complete the full circular walk around it. And we've just sat here on a bit of the common, surrounded by rabbit warrens, to have our lunch. It's a beautiful day, beautiful sunny day, really warming up. just sitting, listening to the birds, watching the butterflies. Yeah, beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Until next time.